Oh my God. Oh my God, guys. This is beautiful. This is beautiful. Oh my God. I'm happy that I came out.
This is from Veracruz. Voladores de Papantla.
You need to see a whole show.
It's not this one, you're taking it.
It's there. You want one?
See what he's gonna do. See? You need to see.
I'm gonna see. No, I'm not gonna see. I have to come back here so you guys can see. I'm not won't be selfish. Okay, guys, ready for it? Are they gonna fall off?
Oh, okay.
Are we gonna catch heart attack?
You have to see. This is originary from Veracruz State, Voladores de Papantla. You have a good coffee and vanilla there.
It's like they're tying the
They fly.
Oh my God, I can't wait to see. They got,
Two of them are ready.
three of them is ready?
Two of them. They need to put their row around to the pole.
Okay. Okay, guys, let's get ready for it. I don't know what's gonna happen, guys, but get ready for it. I'm gonna zoom it out so that you guys don't miss anything. You see how far we are? Okay, looks like something gonna happen now. All right. Yeah,
This moment is similar to what we call praying. So let's give them a couple of minutes of silence. Please.
yeah, because you see what they're doing? They're
trying to
far
fly.
up in the sky. Guys, look at this. So, if they have to ask their gods for help, then allow them to do so. And this one down here collecting tips. I'm not. Here. Hold it, let me see if I find it. You really never catch me tipping the people. Oh my god. You should have let them know that I didn't just take free watch, guys. I tip. I tip. Alright. Alright, they already know. Every video that one. They're ready. Guys, we'll see if I can catch them coming down. Don't want you guys to miss the ding. Alright guys, it is no time.
Safety first.
Safety first. Oh my god. I would actually catch a heart attack. This is gonna be phenomenal. See how far they are? Okay. Okay, they are ready. Wow. 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 Look at this guy.
They are ready now, so please let's give them a big round of applause to support and motivate the flyers.
They are flying.
Originally, the flyers' outfit were costumes elaborated with bird feathers. Due to the conquest, the attire has been changing because of the Spanish influence. The white outfit is a combination of the colors represented in nature. The sunlight rays, the meadow flowers, the rainbow, and blue. UNESCO declared the ritual ceremony of the Papal flyers as a tangible cultural heritage of humanity. I would like to remind you that the main emblem of the Papal flyers is based on their tips and donations.
This is incredible. Look how close they are to us. I want you to see everything. Yeah, they're almost at the ground. This is beautiful.